Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I have been a little off, but I know a lot of you follow me on my Instagram and you know why I've been off. So, my page has finally gone live, which is What's Tithi Cooking. You should definitely follow that page. That page is my months of hard work, and that page is all about healthy recipes, detoxing, cleansing, everything amazing, but it's still simple, easy, yet very, very tasty recipes. And it's my personal collection of recipes, so you should definitely follow my page. And as of the hair situation, whatever is going on, I love it. Moving to this video, this is what's in my everyday work bag, and this is my everyday bag that I carry everyday bag that I carry every single day. Anyways, the bag is pretty huge, it's heavy, and this is my everyday bag that I can barely pick up, but I just have to like sort of get it from the parking to the office. That's it. That is how much I carry this bag. But anyways, now this bag has literally everything that I could ever need. I'm just gonna like clip on my mic so that I can open. This is the bag. This is from Miragio. So you open the bag. I think the first very evident thing in my bag is my tumbler. Now this is not a Stanley, it's a regular tumbler, but then I like my water to be cold. And I don't mean like cold water. I mean like ice to the level where my teeth start hurting. I love that cold water, and this keeps it. So, and it also stores 1.5 liters of water, so that's amazing. Now, it's a pretty filled huge bag. So, let's start pulling out things one by one. So, the first thing is my MacBook, because I literally carry my laptop at every single place, even on vacation. I am sort of a workaholic now. That's literally even funny to say it because like I still can't trust it myself. But then, yeah, I have been working pretty hard lately, so you can say that. Next is my planner. It's a weekly planner that I got from Mini. So you've seen it before on a few of my videos, but then basically my life functions on a planner. And when I say my life functions on a planner, I am not even kidding. Like anytime I need to get something done, I need to write it down or I won't do it. So the next thing I see here is a wallet. This is the Tommy Hilfiger's wallet. Has all of my cards, cash in here. Moving on, I have my AirPods Pro. What else do I see? The next thing is a body mist. This is like an everyday, very fresh. So this is the Bath and Body Works Gingham, fresh by Bath and Body Works, whatever. So it's basically a body mist. It smells heavenly, and it's like a very fresh, out of the shower, walking in the garden sort of a fragrance. Like I don't know how well can I define that, but basically that's how it smells like. Also, I forgot I forgot to wear a lipstick today. Crazy. Much better, right? Moving on, I have my HOCl, which is okay, but this is the minimalist HOCl spray. HOCl is basically a hypochlorous acid, so you can spray it on your face 2, 3, 4 times a day, and it would sort of kill all the bacteria on your face. If you know anything like that can infect your face, it would kill that. if you are just out of the sun, if you spray it, it sort of relieves your sun damage as well. Basically, it helps you fight acne, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory. It's a lot of things basically. And my life functions on this. I have suggested this to so many people and all of them love it. Like they are sort of addicted to this. So I am quite influential that way. Next, I have my sunglasses. So these are the Prada 2025 cat eye ones. I love them. So the next thing is like I don't know. I think you guys have seen this kit before. If you haven't, you probably don't know me that well, and this is your chance to know me well. So in every single bag that I carry, I have one kit. It usually is this one, but I have others as well. So now this has everything that I can possibly need. Like, you know what? I'll open it. I'll share every single detail of this, and you will know why I said that. So, first of all, rubber bands. Normal one, silk one. Then I have a bunch of green and chamomile teas. My morning starts with a cup of green tea and my day ends with a cup of chamomile tea. That is a fixed thing because, first of all, green tea detoxes your body, and chamomile tea I basically drink because it helps me sleep better. I'm also in my black coffee era because apparently that is the only drink that has 0 calories but still sort of gives you the energy, and it sort of also metabolizes your fat. Like that's what I'm learning, so I'm trying to have black coffee every day, although I like my coffee to be a little bit creamier, but then no, that is still a lot of calories, so no. Moving back here, I have a headache medicine. Now this is not headache, basically it's nice. So if you have a fever, if you have cold, cough, headache, body pain, you can have this tablet. And since I have migraine, I need a lot of that. Then moving on, I have a Hotel Se Churaya Hua body lotion and a hand cream. Now this one is from the Body Shop. Moving on, I have a a screen cleaning spray and a cloth. So I clean my laptop, phone, and my sunglasses with this. So that this, then I have a lip balm. Okay, this has to be the prettiest lip balm I ever have. This is the Forest Essentials lip balm. It has a cute mirror. It has the lip balm, and the packaging is so sleek. So that is a lip balm. Then I have this mini perfume, the diffuser where you can just store your big bottle of perfumes into a small capsule sized one. So, by the way, this has the Versace Bright Crystal in it. If you know me, that is my signature scent. You will always see me spelling like that. Next, I have a mini comb. I have some oil absorbing papers because the weather, like, I've never had oily skin my entire life, but then this weather is making my skin very oily, and I'm a dry skin girly. So, anyhow, I have a sanitizer, I have a bunch, and when I say bunch, I don't mean just a few, I mean a lot. So I have a lot of coffee sachets. I have a few from Sleepy Owls, Nescafe. As I said, I'm in my coffee era. So then I have some Q-tips. This, mini blender thingies that you can like put in your hand and you can just blend it out. Then I have this concealer from Swiss Beauty. I have a bunch of other mini perfumes. This one is Moody, Try Moody. There's this brand called Try Moody. So it's two of that fragrances. Then I have a natural sweetener, although I don't use it. So I have a lipstick. This is the L'Oreal lipstick. I don't know what is this one called, but this is in the shade 121 I choose. Then I have some gum. I have a clock clip. I have a few safety pins and bobby pins. And now the bag is finally empty. So now you understand how much I have in this bag. It has literally everything that I need. Anywho, we'll just sort this out later. Let's move on. Yeah, so it's kind of weird, but I have an obsession with the McDonald's honey mustard sauce, and I have a bunch of them in my bag because literally anywhere I go, if I'm having French fries, I will open one of these like honey mustard sauces. And then right now I have three left. So the moment I will have like one left, I will go to McDonald's and I will buy like 10, 20 packs of this. Wow. Like I'm so obsessed with them. So this phone, now this is my work phone, and my main phone is the one that I'm shooting at, and that is it. This is an organizer that I got from Amazon. It really does keep my things very, very organized. This is all that's in my bag. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel and like, share, comment, do everything. And also follow my Instagram, and my What's the Tea cooking page is also on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, and Snapchat. So do follow it, and I love you all.